Good morning. We have a weather advisory for a strong wind for the entire nation. Most regions will experience gusts of wind up to 25 meters per second, winds strong enough to rip off tree branches. While the eastern parts of Gangwon-do Province will see typhoon-force winds today. Well, these winds are due to a crash between cold low-pressure air from north and the warm high-pressure air from the south. What's more, there is a dry weather advisory in place for southeastern regions in Gyeonggi-do Provinces and some parts of the eastern countries. Fire weather conditions, so let's be all careful. We are expecting drop in temperature readings today. Today, daily highs will be nearly 7 degrees lower than yesterday here in the capital. And the wind will make it feel even cooler. Taking a closer look at today's temperatures, Seoul and Daegu are starting the day at 8 degrees Celsius this afternoon. And by the afternoon, Seoul will only make it to 10 degrees, but southern provinces will enjoy mild temperature readings. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for views around the world.